welcome to Da Nang. This is the best time to walk actually around here, 7 o'clock. I can already see Luke walking here. He did not see me. I guess it's too early and not a coffee yet to talk to me. Shout out to Luke, a beautiful member. But it's the best time of the day actually. I think 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, then it's already getting very hot. I'm looking out for a nice espresso. Let's check out how the streets look here. Coffee shops. A lot of you asked me, are coffee shops up or open at 7 o'clock? Yes, they are. Vietnamese are usually up very early and drink coffee very early. So I'm pretty sure you can have a cup of coffee at any time of the day. A lot of them also go to sunrise. So I'm pretty sure it is available everywhere. So it looks like some crazy mob went here yesterday night. I don't know why there's so much trash here. I don't know what's going on. So as you can see, the cleaning personnel was not here yet. Or I don't know what's happening here. Maybe there was a party or so? Here you can also have a banh mi, coconut, some juices. Eating banh mi from the street at this time of the day is also better than later, when it's super hot and laying around. This is also very popular here. I see a lot of people always walking there. This is the gym. I don't know what they're doing. Silk and body. Check this out, guys. This is how they transport goods with the motorbike. Putting the motorbike thingy here, there, and then you just transport everything you want. The wildest things is if they have live animals on the back. Like this one pig we saw one time. That was crazy. It was a pig in the back of a motorbike. It was between Hoi An and Tam Kỳ. We saw that. And sadly, I did not make a photo. Now look at this shake. You get some shakes in the morning here. Hello. There's mixed juices. You can also get some orange turmeric ginger shots. Protein blend. Okay, thank you. And if you're too hot, there's also AC in there. In the sun, it's already like, it's burning. But in the shade, it's actually nice to walk around. And yesterday, to be honest, was a great day to walk around in the evening, or the day before. Sometimes the evenings are cooler, and that's very nice. Especially if there's some kind of storm lingering around and wind. This is great in the night. But I feel like the whole neighborhood here, yesterday, so to me, I'm a married man, and well, I don't know, I've been out in my life a lot. I was a nightlife guy, but I'm not anymore. And I almost don't drink anymore, only on live streams. Yeah, the demographic definitely changed here, especially at night. I'm not sure what's going on. I heard also there more and more trouble going on around the bars and everything like that. But I cannot confirm because I'm not out at that night time. But this is what I would prefer. Dim sum bar since 2001. I guess somewhere else, but not here. But here they're open. There was a perfume bar before. I remember that. But I'm very excited about that. I love dim sum and I will try it out as soon as they're open. Sun Kitchen. Also very popular here. You can get spaghetti with shrimps for €2. Or spaghetti bolognese for $2 US dollar. Avocado egg sandwich, 60,000. Okay, now I understand why it's so popular. They have like Western dishes also for Vietnamese prices. Vietnamese dish prices. Interesting. But let me know in the comments if you going out at night, how the nightlife is here at the moment. In my opinion, Da Nang is still a daytime spot for couples. Check this out. Let's see, where's the German sticker? Here, there we go. Nett hier, aber waren Sie schon mal in Baden-Württemberg? This is one of the funniest stickers ever. They actually have, it's everywhere in the world, I think, this one sticker. It's like, oh, it's nice here, but have you ever been to Baden-Württemberg? That's a state in Germany where people would not usually go to. So Baden-Württemberg is the state of Stuttgart. Absolutely beautiful city. In my opinion, one of my favorite cities in Germany. I've been there many times and I absolutely love it. And I think it is worth the sticker. I would rather go to Stuttgart than to Berlin, right? So, but it's also our neighbors from Bavaria, you know. We're southern Germans, we stick together, good people. But it's very funny because it's usually not a place where foreigners or people outside of Germany would think to go if they visit Germany. Usually if you visit Germany, you know two things. Munich for Oktoberfest and Berlin, because it's Berlin. But Berlin is basically an island in Germany. Let's be real here. And maybe some Hamburg because hamburger. But that's it. Usually you don't know anything more about Germany in general, my dear Americans. But that's why the sticker is so funny, because like no one thinks about Baden-Württemberg, but it's a state. It's basically the let me think. I don't know what I mean, Baden-Württemberg, the state, is very important to the world. If you think about it, it's home of Mercedes-Benz and Porsche. So it is actually important, and everyone knows those two brands, but usually they don't know Baden-Württemberg. But I'm gonna have a coffee now. Hello. Looks pretty nice here. And no one is here. I love it. Okay. Yeah. All right, guys. That was a nice little espresso. I like going there, just have espresso and just bounce again. It reminds me on my time in Mexico. When I moved to Mexico in 2020, I lived there for like 1.5 years, back and forth. I usually went from north to south and Scott. But it was actually super nice. This one thing what I did in Mexico every day was I wake up and having a big water, and I did a walk. And then I had the first espresso, did another walk, another water, and then another espresso. And then I did some work, and then another espresso, and then I was starting the day. I loved it. I love these mornings like that. Walking, hydration, caffeine, and doing some light work. That was great back then. should have had a walking channel, but if I would have had a channel in these times, that would have been very, very good. But I had a very exciting life, to be honest. Now it's pretty, maybe I would say boring here in Asia, but Mexico was exciting. But don't forget, I got a brand new video out on Social Semi, so head over there now, give it a like and comment also. Do me a favor, comment on my new video, which is this here, this beautiful video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next walk.